Hello children. So far we have seen till exercise 5.3, right? We have learnt about what are factors, how to find the factors, how to draw a factor tree, how to find the common multiples, what is HCF, how to find the highest common factors from the common by finding the common factors. Yes, so far we have seen about the factors, and from now on we are going to see about the multiples. Okay, so multiples means what? We have learned that the factors are the now if you are given a number, if you find in which table it comes, those are the factors. Okay, then multiples, what are multiples? Multiples means if I give you a number and if you want to find the multiples of that number, then you have to know the tables. Okay, so if I ask you the multiples of 2, the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and so on. Yeah. So, the answer part of the two tables is the multiples of 2. The same way answer part of the 3 table 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. This is the multiples of 3. Multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So, those are the multiples of 10. Okay, so this is what we are going to see in this exercise, and this is going to be a very easy exercise, children. So, let us see the first sum. See here, write down the first 10 multiples of 4 and 5. Also circle the common multiples. So, the common multiples, see here, first let us write the multiples of 4. Okay. Next let us write the multiples of 5. Okay. So, multiples of 4 are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36 and 4 tens are 40. So, first 10 multiples we have written. The same way for 5 table also. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45 and 5 tens are 50. So, we have written the multiples of 4 and 5. Here what are they asking? They are asking the common multiples. Common multiples means we are going to circle the numbers which are common in both 4 and 5 tables. So, if we check, we will have 20 as the first common multiple. Next, which is the common multiple? Next you have 40. Very good. 40 is the next. So, 20 is the first multiple and 40 is the next multiple. Okay. So, the common multiples of 4 and 5 are 20 and 40. So, look at the solution here. So, 20 and 40. Okay. Next, find the first 5 multiples of the following numbers and circle the common multiples if any. So, from 10 multiples from now on we are going to write only the first 5 multiples. Okay. So, 4 and 2 both are easy tables, right. So, write 4 first and then 2. First 5 multiples of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So, here which are the common multiples? So, which are the common multiples? Here we have 4 as the common multiple and also 8 as the common multiple. So, the common multiples are 4 and 8. Okay. So, look at the answer. 4 and 8. The next question, the same, the first 5 multiples of 4 and 5. So, first write the multiples of 4 and then multiples of 5. 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Multiples of 5 is 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. Okay, so here we are going to find the common multiples. So which are the common multiples? Only 20 is the common multiple. Okay, so the common multiple is 20. Okay. Next, we are going to find the common multiple of 5 and 6. Okay, so common multiple of 5 and 6 is 5 is 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. 6 tables, 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So here do you find any common numbers? Any common numbers here? No, right? So there are no common multiples for 5 and 6. If you consider only the first 5 multiples, there are no common multiples here. Okay. Now next topic, find the LCM of the following pairs of numbers. Okay, find the LCM of the following pairs of numbers means if let me tell you a easy example. For 4 and 2 itself you found, no, this is an example children, do not look at this. Okay, 4 and 2, if I am writing the first 5 multiple itself, 4, 8, 12, 16 and then 20. Yeah. So here 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Here we have two common multiples, right, 4 and 8. But LCM means least common multiple. So which is the least number here? 4 is the least number, right? So LCM is 4. So even though you have so many common multiples, the first multiple will be the least common multiple. Okay, so that is what you have to write as the answer. Okay, so now coming to this sum, if you are going to find the common multiple of 9 and 15, okay, so what you have to do is first write the multiples of 9. Okay, here they didn't mention you like you have to find only the first 5 multiples or first 10 multiples. They didn't mention you like that. So better write the first 10 multiples of the smallest number. Here 9 and 15 you have, so start from 9. Write the first 10 multiples of 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. Next 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Yeah. So till 90, 9 table I have written everything. Okay. Now write the 15th table one by one and also check whether that number comes in 9 table. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. So 15 and 30 is not seen in 9 table. 15 threes are 45. Now 45 comes in 9 table, right? So the first common multiple is 45. So 45 is also the least common multiple. So check here children. See 45 comes and then LCM is 45. Okay. The next number 14 and 24. So we are going to write the common multiples of 14 and 24. First start with the smallest number 14. Write the first 10 multiples. Okay. So 14, the first 10 multiples are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 six are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 112, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 140. So I have written till 10 times. Now start writing 24th table. So 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, 24 threes are 72, 24 fours are 96, 24 fives are 120, 24 six are 144. Now check children, 144 has become very greater than 140 and so far we didn't get any common number. So write two more numbers in the multiples of 14. Okay. So after 140 you will get 154 and then next you will be 168. Let us stop and then check again. Okay. So after in 24th table after 144 24 sevens are 168. Now you got a new multiple, right, a common multiple. So here the LCM is 168. Okay, so this is the least common multiple of 14 and 24. Okay, so check the answer here. So 168 is the least common multiple. Okay. Next one, 50 and 70. 50 and 70 very easy, no children. 50 is nothing but 5 table, but you have to put a 0 at the end of each multiple. Okay. So if you write 5 ones are 5, 50 ones are 50. 5 twos are 10, then 50 twos are 100. 5 threes are 15, 50 threes are 150, like that. Okay. So 50 table write till 10 times. So 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450 and 500. So that is easy, no. 7 table also you can write it, 70 table also you can write it same way. So 70, 140, next 210, next 280, next 350. So 350 is the least common multiple. Okay. So this is how you will find the least common multiple of the given numbers, pair of numbers, children. I hope you understood today's concept. You also work out the same sums in your notebook, children, and then you will even become stronger in the concepts. Okay. Thank you.